we honor one of the great patriots who shaped this land's history, Major Ralengnao Bob Khathing. Major Khathing, a visionary leader and an officer of extraordinary valor, played a critical role in 1951 when he courageously brought Tawang under the Indian flag. His legacy, spirit, and commitment to his country live on in the hearts of the people of Tawang. Today, in a fitting tribute to his remarkable contribution, we inaugurate the Major Khathing Museum, a place dedicated to preserving the legacy of this brave son of India and the rich cultural heritage of Tawang. The museum is home to an extensive collection of artifacts, memorabilia, and documents that tell the story of Major Khathing's courageous journey and his dedication to the nation. More than just a tribute to a hero, this museum stands as a source of inspiration for the younger generation, reminding them of the sacrifices made to secure Tawang and protect India's borders. Major Khathing's contribution to the nation is unforgettable. His courage brought Tawang into our fold, securing its place in India's rich cultural fabric. This museum will ensure that future generations understand the value of dedication, courage, and patriotism. As people walk through the halls, they not only witness the life of a hero, but also connect with the timeless spirit of Arunachal Pradesh and India. The Major Khathing Museum stands as a testament to the courage that has defined Tawang's history, a tribute to a hero and a beacon of pride for all Indians. May this museum remind us of the legacy we inherit and inspire us to carry forward his courage, honor, and love for our land.